Hey guys, Martin here with UTV Stereo. Just want to let you know about what we're doing for the Speed UTV car. This right here is our Elite Stage 6 kit that is specific for the Speed UTV. Now what comes with it would be 4 of our 6.5 Signature Series speakers that go into the doors. You're going to be getting a 5-channel amplifier with that, as well as a bass knob. You're going to be getting a 10-inch Elite Series UTV Stereo subwoofer, MC20 that comes along with that, and our UTV Stereo large vented enclosure. It's a ported box. You are gonna have your sub-out harness with this, as well as an amplifier harness, your amplifier mount there specific for the Speed UTV. And you're gonna get your USB aux, as well as your AM/FM antenna there, RCAs, speaker adapters, and a dedicated stereo harness that is for these Speed UTV cars. I just wanna show you guys what we got going on for the Speed UTV cars. You guys wanna check out here. We have our 5-channel here with our mount, 2 clamps that are being used on the roll bar. We have our bass knob there going up with the speaker harness there. Our dedicated source unit harness is down here, along with the RCAs that are all tucked away. This is our Elite Stage 6 kit that we're using for the Speed UTV. You guys want to follow me to the front. We are using 4 6.5 UTV Stereo Signature Series speakers. We are pretty much taking out the caps and using them for the OEM fit that fits into these vehicles. It is a mid-range speaker that fits in there perfectly. If you look up here, we have our source unit button here for the stereo. Turns on the stereo switch for the source unit there, the MC20, as well as our bass knob that's located up here in the corner. And my favorite part of the vehicle is the UTV Stereo large vented box that we're using that's under the rear driver's seat. We are using a 10-inch subwoofer that is being used in this enclosure. This kit is available, utvstereo.com, or you can feel free to call us on. Check us out, Facebook and Instagram for more content.